So hey guys, welcome back. So what is the secret of the cricketers as they are very fluent in English? Even initially they were the beginners. Now in this video I'm going to tell you simple tricks. So welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is Masum here. Hope you have already subscribed my channel, like my videos and comment on my videos. So the main topic is that how the cricketers are very fluent in English. So just imagine they never use the complicated sentences. They always try to use the simple sentences in simplicity. This is the key role of their English. Okay, so even they always try to speak among them, and they always try to practice the English among them. I am saying about the Indian cricketers. Also BCCI are so aware of this. So in the dressing room or whenever they were going, they used to go, they always try to speak in English among them. Just look at the cricket, just watch the cricket matches when in dressing room or in any when the prize distribution ongoing. Just check that they just use the simple sentences when they are speaking in front of the peoples. They never feel any hesitation. They never use an advanced English grammar. They are just using simple grammar rules. And simplicity is the main key role to spoken English. So that's why what you need to do, you need to just speak in simple language, in simple sentence, think in your mother tongue and translate the sentence in English, and after that throw it from your mouth. And that is the key role. Initially it doesn't matter that what you are speaking, it's just matter that what you are speaking can understandable from the audience, words with whom you are speaking. Or now again I am saying the creators, they are just focusing the main words what they are using when they used to speak in English. So just focus on the main word, because action is the main thing. For example, I am going to the market. In these sentences, if the market is the main thing, then you need to focus on the market word. For example, I am going to the market. That's why in this way if you speak, then the person with whom you are speaking can understand easily. So this is the key role, that the action is the main thing. In which word you are giving the force, that is the main thing. So use the cricketer technique and use the sentences in simple way. Speak in slowly but clearly, and keep the sentences in simple sentence, and that is the key role. So I hope you got me, and you have already subscribed my channel. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए thanks for watching. जय हिंद.